Reconnaissance is the ability to collect information on the enemy in order to direct the proper assets to a particular threat. When that becomes too risky for ground personnel or even traditional aircraft, drones are the Army's next wave of intelligence from the sky. Tactical UAS. UAS stands for Unmanned Aerial Systems, are just one of many technologies the military uses to enhance the lethality and security of its legacy weapon systems.
Shadow enables us to still put out reconnaissance assets, still call for fire using Shadow, and still guide Apache's missiles into the target without putting our precious air assets like the Apache, like the F-35, or like the B-2 at risk.
This is the first time the Shadow was flown in Poland. Atlantic Resolve in Europe provides the opportunity for these aviators from the 91st Engineer Battalion to put their bird in the air. They're training with a purpose. Shadow is able to act as an aerial scout and push further out. So essentially Shadow can go before 1-7 deploys its guys, and we can cue 1-7 into those NAIs. 1-7 can cue 2-8 CAV, and 2-8 CAV can push their infantry and their tanks in that area, and allows us to make enemy contact first before the enemy is able to make contact with us. Tactical UAS, another example of how Atlantic Resolve in Europe is providing the 1st Cavalry Division out of Fort Hood, Texas, valuable training time, not only on the ground, but in the air. Reporting from Poland for the 1st Armored Brigade Combat Team's 1st Cavalry Division, I'm Army Sergeant Ron Lee.